I've been using Bank of America's Premium Rewards Elite credit card for a while, and in this video, I'll provide an honest and unbiased review. From key benefits to costs and considerations, I'll cover everything you need to know. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this card is the right fit for you. Key features: welcome bonus and rewards. You can earn 75,000 bonus points after spending $5,000 within the first 90 days of account opening. It's redeemable for $750 in travel value, statement credits, or cash back. Earning points: 2x points on travel and dining purchases, 1.5x points on all other purchases with no earning limits. Bonus points ranging from 25% to 75% for Bank of America Preferred Rewards members, depending on your tier. Travel benefits: up to $300 annual airline incidental statement credits for qualifying purchases like baggage fees and in-flight refreshments. Receive up to $100 in statement credits for global entry or TSA pre-check applications. Access premium perks like luxury hotel benefits and concierge services. No foreign transaction fees, ideal for international travelers, with no additional charges for purchases made abroad. Additional perks: travel protections, including trip delay and cancellation insurance, purchase protection and account alerts to keep your transactions secure. Costs and considerations: pros and cons. Pros: generous welcome. Bonus: 75,000 points translate to $750 in travel value. Enhanced earning potential: premium travel benefits, no foreign transaction fees, ideal for international trips without extra charges. Cons: high annual fee. $550 can be steep if you don't maximize the perks and benefits. High spending requirement: $5,000 in the first 90 days may be challenging for some to unlock the welcome bonus. Limited redemption options: best value is achieved through travel redemptions, which may not suit everyone. APR on the higher side ranges from 20.49% to 28.49%, which can be costly if you carry a balance. As always, it's crucial to consider your spending habits and financial goals when selecting a credit card. Thanks for watching.